This video focuses on giving instructions on how to update the AGEC data in the chat lines. From the AZTransfer website, choose Faculty Staff, choose ATF Administrator Login, enter your username and password, and this gets you into the chat lines. From the chat lines, use number 3 under Edit Screens, Update AGEC Data. Again, you will need to enter your username and password. For the purposes of this training video, we will look at the AGEC data for Arizona Western College, their AGEC A. This part of the database is often referenced by advisors and students. It lists the requirements that a student needs in order to obtain the AGEC A, in this instance, from Arizona Western College. You will notice the categories that are included in Arizona Western College's specific AGEC A requirements. Each of these categories are truncated. For the purposes of this training video, we will focus on the category of English for the AGEC A. Click on the plus sign to untruncate English. The first thing that you need to do is look at the instructions that are listed underneath this category. It currently says select ENG 101 or 107 and ENG 102 or 108. Verify that those instructions are still correct and align with the AGEC A English category of your respective institution. If a change needs to be made, choose the edit function and a worksheet pops up, and go ahead and change whatever needs to be changed in this description. Then you save the category, or you save whatever changes you've made. If another course needs to be entered, as there is another option, find where it fits in the alphabetically according to the prefixes of the courses, and then the numeric description. And either if English 102, for example, needs to be deleted, you click here and fill out the corresponding worksheet. If it's a new course that is being offered within this category, put add after, click add after, and then complete this worksheet. Then you save this course as well. This needs to be done for every category. Untruncate English again, and look at mathematics. Look and make sure that this description is correct and consistent with the AGEC A requirements to receive the correct credits for mathematics. In order to receive AGEC A, select Math 142 or approved higher level math. If that is correct, no changes needed. If that is incorrect, update accordingly. Edit subcategory, make the changes as needed, save the subcategory, exit out as needed. You will notice that I have added a new course in line number 7. This I did for purposes of this training video. We will delete this course as it is a made-believe course. It says deleting courses is not recommended unless course was added in error. If course is no longer offered, end date the course, proceed with deletion, and yes, we did this incorrectly, so I will click OK. When I refresh the matrix, it disappears. If we want to end date the course, you go through the edit screen for Calc 1. We'll try this on Calc 1. The start term is March of 2004, and the end term, if this is no longer a requirement today, I would put the end term of 2021, and I would put the end term of May, as this is being recorded May 3rd. So this would be 2021-05. This is sort order 8. And then I would hit save course, and this would then disappear. This Calc 1 would then disappear from this lineup. This process needs to be handled for every one of these categories. So arts and history, the same scenario. Select one course from the arts list. If this is correct for arts and humanities, no changes needed. If there have been changes here, please update this accordingly. Again, select one course from the humanities list. And here's the list of humanities courses. Please ensure that all of these courses still satisfy the humanities portion of the arts and humanities, and these courses satisfy the arts requirement. Once the arts and humanities category has been filtered, collapse that category and go to the next, which is social and behavioral sciences. This category recommends selecting 2 courses out of all of these coursework options. If that is correct, leave it unchanged. Otherwise, look at all of these courses and ensure that all of them still satisfy the requirement for social and behavioral sciences. This continues for all of the categories. In addition to cleaning out each category, please ensure that the titles of the categories are correct and have not been changed. Ensure that your institution's AGEC-A still uses the category titles of English, mathematics, arts and humanities, social and behavioral sciences, physical and biological sciences, additional courses, writing intensive, cultural awareness, global awareness, and historical awareness. In the event that one of these need to change, you can choose the edit function right from this screen and make the changes as needed. Once all of these categories have been reviewed and verified, the AGEC-A data is now complete. Return to the chat lines. Again, choose update AGEC data. Your password will again be needed. And now go through the same process for AGEC-B. Sometimes these categories will shift depending on which AGEC is being pursued. Notice for the AGEC-B, there is a category of computer information systems. We will collapse English category and open up computer information systems. This is a category specialized to the AGEC-B. Please be sure that these instructions are accurate as of today's date, and edit the course selection as needed by adding or deleting or editing the courses as they now appear. Once the AGEC-B has been filtered through and verified, each of these categories has been verified. Go back to the chat lines. Number 3, update AGEC data. Put in your password and click on S for verification of the AGEC-AS requirements. One thing that might be different between the AGEC-S and the other 2 AGECs are the requirements for physical and biological sciences. Continue to clean out each one of these categories, but pay particular attention to the category that might be specific to the AGEC-S. In this case, I'm going to assume that physical and biological sciences might be different between the AGEC-S and the A and B. Ensure that these instructions are correct. Ensure that if a student follows this set of instructions, they will be on track to receive the AGEC-S. Ensure that this coursework is the correct coursework in order to receive the AGEC-S. make the changes as necessary. Once the AGEC S has been cleaned out, this particular portion, update AGEC data, has been complete. And that is the end of how to update AGEC data. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.